Hi everyone. My name is Bethel. I happen to be Umpa's younger brother. In this whole event called the Lagos Igbo Hangout came up a tweet Umpa made, I think around early May. So he made a tweet saying he would like to host an Igbo hangout where they'll eat some Igbo delicacies, highlighting some Nkwobi and some few which I cannot remember now. And the tweet blew up on Twitter. He started thinking of how because in his mind he was like thinking to host like a few people like his friends from Enugu that recently relocated to Lagos. So in his head he just want to just have a little hangout with some people that knows him from Enugu and make them feel the vibe, Enugu vibe here in Lagos. So he never fathomed that the tweet will blow up that much. So after the tweets went viral, he started making plans of how he could channel these events to become something fruitful. I happen to be a graphic designer, so I design, but I don't really design that much. So part-time designer. I did his logo, his navigator logo. So he hit me up to draft something regarding the event, which I did. And the design, I had a lot of content. They just wanted something short, so he had to get to someone else to do it. But I was happy I was part of the designing crew and all. So after the design came up and it started flying everywhere, telling people that the event is going to be hosted hosted in June and had coming soon. A lot of anticipation from people started rising. So plans for the event came up and all. I happened to manage some social media pages like the Instagram and Twitter page, the Lagos Igbo Connect page. So I happen to be the person behind handling those handles, posting content regarding the event and sensitizing people about the event and all that. So yeah, it has been a great event, great experience for me because actually I've never been in the space of handling a social media page, but I learned from this event because I was given the role too, and I had to learn at the job while doing the job, and it was quite fun. And I was also happy to have that experience. Um, by the grace of God, the event is done now, and we are just grateful for the event and how it went. The turnout was massive, exceeded our expectations and all. And we just want to say we are grateful for everybody that made this possible. Firstly, our sponsors, we don't take your support for granted. We thank you all. We love you all. And we promise to do better in the next edition, which will be coming up very soon. So, but we're planning towards that. And thank you everyone for coming to the event. God bless you and see you soon in the next one.